Well, viewers, with two phases of the Lok Sabha polls completed and 5 to go, Prime Minister Modi has set his poll agenda and answered on many of the burning mid-poll topics in an exclusive interview to the Times of India. So what really are these visuals? In fact, the Prime Minister has spoken specifically and answered on perhaps one of the headline topics which is in conversation right now, that is of the Congress's promise of redistributing wealth. Thus far, there has been, remember, precious little coming in from the Congress by way of explanation as to how they are going to be doing it. And this, of course, included things such as the wealth tax as well as the inheritance tax, as mentioned by Sam Pitroda in his conversational remarks which he had made. Of course, Prime Minister Modi has torn into it and he's ripped it apart. In fact, this is what he said. We are going to get you excerpts of what the Prime Minister said exclusively to the Times of India. He said that there are problems disguised as solutions. This is what the Prime Minister says. Goes on to say, why work hard if the government redistributes your wealth at all? Then where is the incentive? It would kill the startup revolution in India. In fact, it will only benefit the opposition vote bank and nobody other than that, and is going to kill the incentivization. Also, the Prime Minister said, could cause an irreversible communal disharmony in India as well. And this is what has really set off the alarm bells ringing, with the Prime Minister saying that it may just spark off communal disharmony. Now, over the course of this interview, the Prime Minister also answered the charge that he was polarizing the discourse ahead of the elections. To this, he has replied, I'm going to tell you what exactly he said, that the properties of the minorities are being protected. This, as per the Act, Congress cannot redistribute the Waqf property. It is very clear about this. In fact, Congress will only redistribute the properties of the other religions and not of the minority. This is what the Prime Minister said. Let's get you some of the other excerpts also. He has gone on to say that the Congress is only eyeing the properties of other communities and not the Waqf Protection Act. Remember, there's already an act which is currently in place, which had been passed under the Congress regime, where the Waqf property is above any kind of scrutiny and gives it massive powers to even claim land which the Waqf decides is its. That's the reference that the Prime Minister is making. In fact, let me go across to Pragya, who's joining us. Pragya, in the midst of this political discourse that we have already seen, and this right ahead of the third phase of polling, this kind of an attack coming in on the wealth redistribution by the Prime Minister himself, what does it mean on the ground for the Congress?
Well, Prime Minister is ensuring that Congress does politics of appeasement should be the message that should go out to the voters. And, you know, there is a reservation row intertwined with this redistribution of wealth narrative as well. BJP is constantly saying when you redistribute wealth, when you give reservation, they will be given from other communities. Similarly, Prime Minister today clearly clarified that if you give properties from one community to the other, obviously, and if you can't take properties of one community, which is Muslim community, minority community that Congress is saying, then obviously it will mean that you will look for the properties of other communities. That means that your wealth and assets of other communities will then be raided by the Congress, is what Prime Minister is saying. The kind of terminology that Prime Minister has used against Congress mindset, Maoist ideology, there's a sinister plan, there's a hidden, this is not an ideal threat, this is a hidden agenda of the Congress. If and when they comes to power, the plan is to redistribute this wealth, take wealth from the people of one community and give it to the minorities, especially Muslim. This is what Prime Minister has been maintaining ever since. Now, the question that arises, because Congress is time and again saying that they never said that they'll take wealth of one community and distribute it to another, but the fact BJP says that all its leaders are re-emphasizing the point that there will be redistribution of wealth. There had been, these remarks had come from the topmost party leaders as well, but this gained ground, this gained the center stage of the political discourse when Sam Pitroda pitched in with the same idea that redistribution wealth should be debated upon. Now, Prime Minister is saying that there is a sinister plan. is a plan to disturb the communal harmony, which will have irreversible, implication if that happens. And this will be against the national sovereignty, integrity. This should not be implemented. And obviously, trying to portray Congress as anti-national is what Prime Minister has done when he spoke at length about this redistribution of wealth. Now, this is not just about taking wealth from one and giving it to other. There is clearly a religious angle to it, is what Prime Minister is saying, and also saying that this will also damage the chances of people who would want to work hard. There will be no incentive for that. There will be startups. There are startups getting pushed by the government. They will not be doing better because they know that if they know that their wealth is going to be distributed to other minorities who may be getting it because of the religious minorities. Secondly, Prime Minister is saying this is constitutionally unviable. Constitution does not give you right to give reservation or to give any sort of priority based on religion, because in eyes of Constitution, everyone is the same.
Well, in fact, there's another angle, Pragya, and I want you to speak about that. I'll just come to you. Let's tell our viewers about the left-leaning angle as well that the Prime Minister has talked about. Of course, he said there is a communal angle to it. Constitutionally, it is impermissible. He also says that the Congress and the Rahul Gandhi's entire top brass is acting like Maoists. In fact, in this interview, he speaks about what Rahul Gandhi had proposed for conducting a wealth X-ray, a wealth survey. Now, this, as per the Prime Minister, is nothing short of Maoist ideology and thinking. In fact, he has said that this is a recipe for disaster, as you can see. So, Pragya, there you have it. He also said that it is going to lead to Maoist thinking as well as ideology is what is being reflected in a wealth X-ray. The Congress all along has said it's only a survey. There's no redistribution and definitely not along communal line. But this leftist spin has been given by the Prime Minister.
Well, Meghna, if you remember, there had been allegations by the BJP leaders that, according to them, the core group around Rahul Gandhi and also the Sonia Gandhi are the people who have been leftist, core leftist, and this is their thinking as well that has been pushed in the Congress manifesto, and Sam Pitroda also falls into the same category. Now they are saying that you are going towards socialism and also towards the Maoist idea that, there should not be rich people, there should not be no industry, there should be equality of distribution of wealth. But when you were in power for 60 years, why did you not implement that? But now the new generation has come up in Congress, and that is, heavily dependent on this left ideology. This is exactly what Prime Minister said when he said that the Congress manifesto seems like it is made by the Maoist or by the leftists. And, when this redistribution of wealth argument comes, there's another sort of thinking in the BJP also, that what Rahul Gandhi is doing is bringing in Nehruvian socialism versus the liberalization policy that was brought in by Narasimha Rao, or for that matter, Mr. Manmohan Singh. So it was also an attempt to denigrate both of the PMs in comparison with Mr. Nehru, who was the first Prime Minister of India. So there is also that angle that is being played in the Congress circle as well as in the BJP circle.